Welcome, welcome. This tutorial is going to show how to create users and admin users to your Chabad Suite account. First thing you want to do is go to Chabad Suite Administration and click on this item over here, Manage Users. This will give you access to this page where you could see all the current users in your account. All these people can log in, so you have the username, you have the status, whether active or blocked. This means whether they can access or not access. If they're blocked, they will be denied access. This is their roles. It allows you to know what kind of access they have. It gives you the day, how long they've been a member, and when they last accessed your database. So if you want to add a user, you have a new employee, you can click Add User. Over here, you put in a name. Okay, you could give them a password. And then you have the option of having them notified. So this will send them a notification email with a link to log in, or you can just let them know their username and their password, and they can log in. And then you have the choice to assign them roles. If they don't get a role, they will have access to log in, but they won't be able to have access to any administrative details or screens. So right now we're just going to leave it blank. We're going to put in the name. And we're going to click create account. So here we are. We've created the user, so we can go back to that page and see that Avram Avinu is now a user for my CRM. So he doesn't have any roles, which means that when he logs in, he will have only access to the My Account section. He won't have the CRM, he won't have the Chabad Suite administration. He'll be able to see his overview screen, which tells him how long he's been a user, his name and address, or any other profiles or fields that you add to the screen. He'll have access to the profile page where he can update his information, update his time zone, and then he'll also have he could also update his name and address. And again, you can add to this if you have more information for your contacts, donor info or parent information, emergency contact, whatever it is. You can add these what are called profiles over here for them to fill out. They'll also have access to My Dashboard, which gives them a screen with all their information, which groups they're on, all their donations. You can also have invoices here that they can click pay for, their past events, pledges, memberships, any of their personal information that is only pertinent to them will be visible on their dashboard. So that is what a user has access to if he has no roles. If you do assign a role, then he will be able to have more access. So to assign a role, you go back to this page, you click the box to the user you want to edit, and you click the update drop-down menu. And over here you could add a role. You have a choice from 3 roles. You have Civi Admin, Editor, and View. So admin will give them access just like you have access. Editor will give them access to everything except for financial data. And then you have the View option, which will allow them to have access to everything, but they cannot edit anything. So that's good for maybe a bookkeeper or financial company that you're using. They could look at all the records, but they can't input or edit anything. So we're going to give this person Civi Admin. I want it to be an administrator, and I click update, and now Avram Avinu will be able to log in and access the CRM just like I do. If ever he stops working, I can always go here and block his user account, and then he will no longer have access. So that's how users and admin users are added. Hope this helps.